Okay, here we go. It's currently set, this is a 580EX2 again. I'm currently set with a master, so this will be my command unit on channel 1 with a ratio of A to B. These little numbers here give the ratio. A is on the left side, B is on the right side. So to use these functions, okay, select, I can dial in exposure, so that's increasing. Okay, and that will be on the A channel, or at least for this unit. So I'm just going to leave it at 0. If I get back to 0, there it is. Okay. If you keep hitting set, you get to a little 3 squares here. That's flash exposure bracketing. So just like you'd bracket with a exposures, you can do this with the flash as well. Pardon the hammering in the background. Hit it a third time and it stops. To get into these options, you're going to use the zoom button once, twice. And now I'm into the controlling the ratios, so I can turn ratios off. That means it will just fire all of the remote slave units using the ETTL system with very little control on my behalf. If I want to start using the ratios, I turn them on, and now I can move this back and forth. Okay, this would be a 3 to 1, 2 to 1, one stop over, equal power from both. If you look at some of the literature, there's a good caption in the 580EX2's manual that explains this a little more in detail. Okay, and so if I want to go back into there, I can turn the ratios on. What I want to get to, where is it? Come on, there we are. Okay, I can also set a C channel in here if I keep rotating. So I have my ratios on are A, B, and C. And now I can control the A-B ratio here. But if I wish to control the C ratio, let's see if I can get to it. There it is. I'm hitting the select button in the middle, and then I can dial in more exposure on the C channel. It's unfortunate that the A and B channels are restricted to ratios. It'd be a lot nicer if they were all +1, +2. I believe the Nikon system is like that, but hopefully Canon will make the jump in the next few years. So again, basically all I'm using is the set or select button and the zoom button to navigate around here. Just takes a little bit of getting used to. The other one that's valuable, let's see if I can get in here, is I actually want to turn the master off. Now notice how this is blinking right here, and there's an on-off. That's actually going to turn this unit off as a commander, so it will emit a pre-flash, but it won't actually contribute any real flash to the situation. And we'll wrap that up there for now and come back to manual and stroboscopic shortly.